When it comes to taking baths, more is not always better. In fact, some people find themselves overwhelmed by how complicated bath preparation can be, and don't enjoy the experience as much as they could. If you want to make your next bath a truly relaxing one, follow these 5 tips to make it perfect every time. 1. Get the right supplies. Before you can sink into your tub, you need to ensure you have all of your supplies. If baths are usually relaxing for you, it's easy to assume that anything will do. But if you want your tub time to be truly relaxing, consider investing in bath salts or bubble baths so that each moment spent in water is as invigorating as possible. Also consider adding scented candles and a soft towel to make yourself feel pampered. 2. Create the mood. The first step in making your bath perfect is setting up your bath space. Dimming lights and creating an at-home spa feel will make you more relaxed and help you avoid getting out of your tub once it's time to get out. Once you've created your relaxation zone, it's time to add in some water tricks that will really set off your bath. Try adding any of these 3 items for an unforgettable bathing experience. 2 tablespoons baking soda. Baking soda helps soften skin while eliminating odors. 3 drops lavender essential oil. Lavender essential oil is known for its calming properties. 1 cup Epsom salt. Epsom salt can be used as a muscle relaxer. 3 light candles. Nothing is more relaxing than enjoying a bath with candles. Add an ounce of some citrusy essential oil, like orange or mandarin, for good measure. Your bathroom will smell amazing, and it'll add extra ambience to your soak. Afterward, you can use some lotion with that same scent as a way to extend that feel-good vibe after your bath. 4. Play slow, low tunes. Picking music that isn't overly stimulating will help keep your thoughts from racing and help you relax. Find some soft, slow tunes on YouTube or Pandora for an easy way to unwind. If you like baths but also love music, consider investing in a waterproof MP3 player that can play in your tub. These devices aren't very expensive, and they allow you to customize your bath with relaxing tunes. Don't want to listen to music? That's fine too, just try to enjoy the quiet of your own home as much as possible when taking a bath. You may even find it more enjoyable than listening to music. 5. Meditate in the tub. While soaking in your bath, try meditating for 10 minutes. Relaxing music can be of great help with getting into a more relaxed state, but silence is also very good for meditation practice. If you find it difficult to just sit still and relax, visualize yourself surrounded by soothing colors, like blue or green. Keep in mind that it takes time before you learn how to meditate. Don't worry if you can't get used to doing it from day 1. Start small and work your way up. Eventually, sitting still won't feel so awkward anymore. If you have trouble staying awake during meditation, try placing a few drops of peppermint oil on a handkerchief and breathe deeply while inhaling its aroma. The fresh scent will keep you alert while helping reduce any stress or anxiety associated with meditating in general.